Every producer knows this moment. The whole track's in your head. The beat, the vocal, the drop. And it's perfect. Then you open your project, and an hour later, you've got an empty arrangement and a kick you already hate. The idea was never the hard part. It's everything between the idea and the finished track that kills the night. So here's the rule I set myself. Take one idea and carry it the whole way. Write it, remix it, mix it, turn it into a video to post, without leaving the same browser tab. Well, let me show you. The platform's called Mureka AI, and they've just released their newest model, V9. And it is truly a game changer. Most AI music just loops. 4 bars, repeat, fade out. No build, no payoff, no actual song. But Mureka's V9 is built to arrange a track like a writer plans a story. Intro, verse, the lift into the chorus, a bridge, a real ending. Add tighter lyric control, cleaner mixes, and more natural vocals on top of that. But I'm not going to tell you how good it is. I'll build something and let you decide. Let's go. Across the top, you've got 3 tabs: Easy, Custom, and Soundtrack. Easy mode is a chat you talk to when you've only got a vague idea. It's terrific on its own for beginners, but for this demo, I want control, so let's go for the custom mode. 2 boxes here: lyrics on top, style underneath, plus a vocal setting. I'll paste my lyrics into the lyrics box, a moody late night thing. In the style box, I'll type what I want: dark trap soul, halftime, deep 808s, crisp hi-hats, warm roads, a breathy female vocal. Set vocal gender to female. And hit create down the bottom. Give it a second, and here's what it gives back.
City lights bleed through a window I don't open. Phone face down, every promise left unspoken. Counting headlights like they're gonna call my name. Every one of them is somebody else's flame. But the night don't ask me where I've been. Just lets me back in. Lets me back in. Don't need the morning to forgive me. Yeah, the night don't ask me.
Listen to the vocal first. Is it breathy and human with little ad-libs, or that plastic robot tone we all know? Then the arrangement underneath. Does it sit flat, or does it move and build? Listen to that lift into the chorus. That's the structure doing its job. Perfect out of the box? No. But as a starting point to build on, it's strong. And that's all I want from it. We're just getting started. In the song that we just made, in the library, click on the Remix / Edit button and go to the Remix option. This feature can take our song and flip the whole genre to create an alternative version of the same song. So our Trap Soul track is loaded at the top, and in the style box I'll ask for a bright UK garage flip, skippy drums, chopped vocals, and create. Here's the original.
Headlights like they're gonna call my name. Every one of them is somebody else's flame.
And here's the same song, reimagined.
Counting headlights like they're gonna call my name. Every one of them is somebody else's flame. But the night don't last.
The melody survives the swap. That's a remix that'd take me an afternoon by hand, done in under a minute. Okay, this next part is where most AI tools stop, and Mureka doesn't. Look at the left sidebar. Click Studio. This is a full multi-track workstation, built right in. I'll drag our track from the library onto the timeline. Now, I'm gonna select the track on timeline and hit Extract Stems. Give it a moment, and there they are. Bass, drums, guitar, synth, vocals, all separated. From here, I can hit Insert All to drop them onto the timeline as individual tracks, or download to mix them in my own DAW. That's the jump from an AI made this to I produced this. And it's editable like a real session. I can grab a clip on the timeline and trim it, shorten a section that drags, rearrange parts. Check this out. I'm gonna select the synth stem here and change its style to bouncy arpeggios and click replace. Look at that. Mureka has created an alternative version of the synth stem, now in the style that we asked for. The new stem is a lot more saturated compared to the original, and it's loaded in. That's a workstation, not a slot machine. To finish the track off, back in the sidebar, click Create Video. I'll load the song, pick a section, choose a character, or upload my own. Pick a background, and choose a visual style. I'll go dark and cinematic to match the mood, set the ratio to widescreen, and generate. Lip sync is turned on. I will type the idea keywords here and hit generate.
City lights peek through a window I don't open.
And that's the loop closed. Blank page, to a produced track, to a remix, to a stem mix, to a music video. One idea, one browser tab. Mureka isn't only for building songs from scratch though. Go to Create Music again and click the Soundtrack tab. Here you can upload an image or a video, describe the mood, and Mureka creates a tailored score for it. Completely original music matched to what's on screen. Here I'm gonna drop a very small video clip I have, and I will describe a Motown jazz style. Let's check it out. That's so good, perfectly synced with the video's motion. If you've ever lost an hour hunting royalty-free libraries for something that fits your edit, this kills that. And it's made on your own subscription, so it's yours to use, no copyright strikes later. Okay, the web browser features are done. But I saved the best for last. This is the one that made me sit back in my chair. Everything so far has lived in the browser. This one lives on your desktop, and it plugs that same AI engine straight into Ableton Live. It's called Mureka Co. You don't open menus or export files. You just talk to it in plain English right beside your session. Watch. You type a prompt, and it generates the track and drops it straight into Ableton, on its own track, beat-aligned, ready to go. Ask for any adjustment you want, and it makes them and adds them to the session too. No bouncing between tabs, no dragging files. The AI is working inside the project right where you produce. And that's the point. It's not replacing you. You stay the producer making the calls. It just handles the busy work. A coworker, basically. It runs on both Mac and Windows now, so whatever you're on, you can download it from the sidebar of the site and try it yourself. So, straight talk. It's a crowded space and different tools win at different things. Some edge it on raw vocal expressiveness. What sets Mureka apart for me is the structure, the editing, and how close it gets you to release ready in one place. And of course, the game-changing Mureka Co. The link's in the description. Free credits to start, no card needed. If this helped, stick around. I've got more tool breakdowns coming. Stop letting good ideas die in your head. Go get one out. See you in the next one.